Okay, friends and family, this is a teacher's sabbatical, day 124 I think, and I'm on a day trip with light luggage to 3 islands, Miyagi, Ikei and another one. And this is where I actually stop and have a break, have some cake and a nice beer, Orion Southern Star, Okinawa's best, from Okinawa to the world. And this is some kind of dead end. So this is like a very small fishing port, you might not even say, because it's just a lot of concrete. But apparently they go with these small vessels and harvest crabs, which they put in those makeup containers, providing oxygen. And they actually sell them once they need them, or the residents need them. Yeah, weather-wise it's nice. It's about 24, I guess. 25. There will be some rain later on. It hopefully not before 5 or 6, because it's still in an hour and a half at least back to the guest house, and I wanted to do some shopping before I go back to the guest house. People fishing here, and it's sunny, and at times it's cloudy because there's a big cloud over there. Yeah, the water is nice, clear, deep, and it's very nice. Although there's a nice beach missing where you can actually go swimming. There are only 2 private beaches at the end of the Ikei Island. There is a resort, hotel complex. And then there's Odomari Beach, just right behind the bushes over there. But that's a private beach, and you need to pay to be able to enter. So, of course, I don't pay to get to the beach. This is just as good as a beach here. This is actually where people could possibly also go and swim. Although it's just probably to get into the boats. Okay, see you later, friends and family. This is day 123 or 4, I think.